All right, coaches or managers, hopefully this is helpful. I'm going to show you how to import your entire practice schedule for the whole year, assuming things don't change, onto your Crossbar. So you don't go to Crossbar, you go to RAYBA.org, and then you will go to your team. Let's say you're 7th grade black, which I am. You would go there, and then you go to schedule. Here you could add your events one by one. I am going to click right here, this little arrow. It's tough to find. And this is where I'm going to upload a spreadsheet. Now I will share this spreadsheet with Chelsea, the travel boys travel director. And so this spreadsheet will just look like this. I'm just going to call it spreadsheet, Crossbar spreadsheet. So you'll see on the Crossbar, they tell you what columns to have. They also tell you what's required. I would say do not do the duration, just do the end time. And that's what I'm going to do. So here we go, event type, practice, date. Here's the date of my first practice. Start time, end time, location, Prairie View Middle, street address, city, state, zip code. Don't worry, you only have to do this one time. This is my Thursday practice, or actually this is for the 8th graders. And then I just put a note for Jim B. You don't need to put anything there. You don't need to put opponents because these are practices. So that's what that looks like. Let me make that a little smaller so we can see. And then here's the one thing that's a little tricky. You do have to, for anything that's numbers, add your next practice. So my next practice for this would be a week later. So do not enter your practice later that week. Enter the next Thursday's practice. So I got a Thursday and a Thursday here. And I want to keep these times the same. So I'm copy and pasting. This has a number in it, so I'm going to copy and paste. Actually, we can copy and paste all the rest of this. So we'll copy that, paste it there, and we'll write practice again. Okay, so now that that is all in there, we can highlight those two columns, and now we're basically telling it to reduplicate that, except for the date is going to jump up by 7 days every time. So it's going to be like magic. There you go. I have the whole season here. Again, maybe I don't want some of these in here and I could delete them now, but I don't really care. I can delete those later in Crossbar as the season goes. And then here's my other practice. Oh, it looks like my other practice is before that, Tuesday. That's okay. I'm just going to add 7 days to that. So it's the 28th. It's the 28th. And then all of this, again, this row right here, the 5 to 7, it's at Prairie View. This time it's Gym A. I'm going to copy that and paste that there. So now that I have 2 rows, I can highlight both those 2 rows. Oops, not 3. I can highlight both of those 2 rows and drag it all the way down, about 25 rows. Okay, now I have this. So now I have all of my practices, 7 to 9, adding 7 days. Here we go, 10, 21, 5 to 7, adding 7 days every week with these categories. So now what I do is I go File, Download as Excel. It's going to title as Crossbar Spreadsheet. Now I go back here. I just click anywhere, and it'll open this up, Crossbar Spreadsheet. And then I would click upload. I'm not going to because I've already uploaded my practices. But you'll upload and then all of your practices will be in Crossbar and your work is done. It'll take you probably somewhere between 5 and 10 minutes. Feel free to email me, joshuaruppnow@gmail.com, or text me, 262-527-7192 if you need help with that. All right, hope that helps. Best of luck this season.